of you may have heard mentioned on the Beyond Sight and Sound show that recently I got a package from Evan Granger from Big Boys Hobbies, and I've been looking around for a new coil for the Minelab CTX. Something smaller, but I really didn't, for me, I really just wasn't liking the way that the 6-inch smart coil looked for the CTX. So got to doing some looking around, contacted Coiltek, talked to a few other people, and eventually wound up getting in contact with Evan there at Big Boys Hobbies, because these were a little hard to get a hold of at the time. You had to find a US distributor. And what we have here, as you can see, is a Coiltek package. So we're going to get this open and give a little bit of a peek at this, initial thoughts on it. We're still frozen here in Ohio, but let's go ahead and check this out. Evan was quick too, I've got to say that. Super fast shipping, great guy to deal with. I contacted Evan on a Sunday evening. So, I mean, it's the weekend, he's busy doing things with the family, and he still sat down and took the time to talk with me. We got this set up, he invoiced me while I was on the phone. I went ahead, sent payment as soon as I got off the phone with him, and Wednesday morning it was at my door. So certainly can't complain about that. Let's see here, we've got some paperwork in the box. Brochure from Coiltek. Standard paperwork you'll see. Coil's bubble wrap. Take that out. And for initial thoughts, like I said, we're snowed in Ohio, so I can't get this out and test it in the field yet. But that's nice. It feels very, very well made. Should be good for target separation. Same watertight CTX connection. It's a waterproof submersible coil. The 10x5 Coiltek for the CTX. Great target separation, good depth, and you'll be seeing this coil out in the field this year. I've got some places that I want to put this thing to work and see if it can breathe a little bit of new life into the site, see what I may have missed. But even if you're not looking for the 10x5 for the CTX, check Evan out. Big Boys Hobbies. Great guy to deal with, like I said. He'll definitely hook you up. It's just been fantastic, the customer service that I've seen from him so far. So great guy to deal with. Big Boys Hobbies, Evan Granger. Check out the Gonehunting For History page on Facebook, Gonehunting For History on YouTube. Passionate hunter for the hobby, really likes getting out there and recovering the history. Coiltek 10x5, we'll see what happens this season. Thanks for checking it out, and watch for an update on the review. We'll see you.